Your car's brakes are one of the most critical safety systems, yet many drivers don't realize their brake system could be failing without any obvious warning. A brake fluid leak might start small, but it can suddenly turn into a complete system failure with just one push of the pedal. So, how can you tell if your brakes are leaking, and more importantly, how do you fix it? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Auto Repair. Let's get started then. Squishy brake pedal. One of the earliest signs of a brake fluid leak is a soft or squishy brake pedal. This happens because every time you apply the brakes, fluid escapes, and when you release the pedal, air sneaks into the system. If your pedal doesn't feel right, don't ignore it. That spongy feeling is your brake system crying for help. Find the cause and get it fixed immediately. Poor braking performance. When your brake system is leaking, the braking pressure that should be stopping your car is literally leaking out. You'll notice that it takes longer to stop, or the brakes feel less responsive. And that's not all. Air and moisture enter the system, reducing your braking effectiveness even more. This creates a dangerous scenario where you simply can't stop as quickly as you need to. No pressure in the brake pedal. If your brake pedal goes straight to the floor with no resistance, you've got a serious problem. This usually means you've lost a significant amount of brake fluid fast. If your brakes were working fine yesterday and today they're not, do not drive the vehicle. No brake pressure, no brakes, no stopping. It's that simple. Brake warning light. Most modern cars have a brake warning light, but you can't always rely on it. It usually activates when fluid levels in a reservoir are very low, but by that point, your system may have already been compromised for a while. Also, some older or budget vehicles don't monitor fluid levels closely. That's why it's important to check your brake fluid manually during routine maintenance, especially if your car is over 5 years old. Visible brake fluid leak. Brake fluid leaks are tricky. The fluid is clear or slightly yellow, and there's not a lot of it in the system. Unlike oil or coolant, you might not spot it easily by just looking under the car. However, if your brake fluid level is dropping, that fluid is going somewhere. Check around the wheels, master cylinder, and brake lines. Even a small leak needs urgent attention. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.